Level up your Toptal application game and land those dream freelance projects. Let's dive right in. First things first, log into your Toptal account and navigate to your profile section. Usually, this is accessible by clicking your profile picture or a clearly labeled button. Once you're in your profile, you'll notice several key areas to focus on: skills, experience, and your profile summary. These are your selling points, so make sure they're polished. Start with your skills section. Review and update your listed skills. Do you have any new skills you've honed? Remove obsolete ones. Be honest and thorough. This is how clients find you. Be sure to include relevant keywords. Next, move on to your experience section. At any new projects you've completed since your last update, focus on impactful results and quantifiable accomplishments to increase revenue. Improve efficiency. Let clients know. Update any of the previous jobs on this page. The profile summary is your elevator pitch. This is what potential clients see first. Make sure your summary is clear, concise, and quickly highlights your key strengths and relevant experience. Rewrite this part, highlighting your expertise. And always remember to keep it relevant to your target audience. Once you've updated each section, be sure to save your changes. Most platforms provide a save or submit button. Take a moment to review the information and make sure it's all displayed as you want it to be. Always ensure you verify it to improve your chances of getting contacted for new projects. Maintaining a current and attractive profile is crucial for attracting freelance clients. On Toptal, keep your application fresh and relevant by revisiting and updating it regularly. Now go out there and get those projects. Happy freelancing!